Hello, good morning to everyone. Dear students, earlier we have seen many videos of tenses. Today we are going to learn a new topic. A new topic we are going to start, that is direct and indirect speech. Okay, direct and indirect speech. Whatever the board exam you are giving, or whichever the competitive exams also if you are giving, so in this direct and indirect speech, such kind of the sentences are asked there here. Many students feel these statements, these types of the sentences are very hard one, but definitely these sentences are very easy. Some simple tricks I will tell you. Okay, some simple tricks I will tell you, so how to understand and how to learn this direct and indirect speech, and how to become ready to solve such kind of the examples we are going to see in this chapter. Okay, direct and indirect speech, what is the use? First of all, we'll see there what is the use of direct and indirect speech, कि उसका ज़रूरत क्या है. Okay, what is the need of it? Suppose yesterday I have talked with my friend. Suppose I have talked with my friend, and that discussion, whatever the discussion took place there with me and my friend, so that discussion if I want to tell you, so should I use exact words what way I use there here, or what my friend used there? No, I have to convert that words in my own words. Okay, so that is becoming indirect. It's becoming indirect. And what the said statements are there of my friend, so that statements are called direct one. Just see, we'll take one example. Suppose I have met one friend, that is Sunil. Sunil said, I am driving car now. Okay, so who said? My friend Sunil told this one statement. Okay, Sunil said I am driving car now. If I come to you and say state the statement like Sunil said I am driving car now, so whether it will give you complete meaning? No. You will assume that I am driving, isn't it? I am driving the car, but we have to change it into our own words. How? Sunil said that he was driving car. Is he driving now? No, he was driving at that time. So at that time, this is the answer will be there here. But how? Okay, just these changes, everything we are going to learn afterwards. Okay, these rules we are going to see afterwards. But first of all, understand the base, or understand why we are using this direct and indirect speech. Okay, suppose we will speak in Hindi. If we will say, if we are talking or in Hindi, so Sunil ने कहा, what divert here, direct we will take here, मैं गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ. ओके, मैं गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ. कब? अभी. मैं अभी गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ. सपोज दैट हियर अभी, आई फॉरगॉट टू रोड दैट हियर, मैं अभी गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ. तो ये स्टेटमेंट है, और इसको अगर हमको ये स्टेटमेंट किसी और फ्रेंड को बताने का है कि उसने, सुनील ने मुझे क्या कहा, तो मैं कैसे कहूँगा कि सुनील ने कहा कि, ओके, बिकॉज वी आर ज्वाइनिंग नाउ टू स्टेटमेंट्स, ये सेंटेंस और ये दोनों को हम जोड़ रहे हैं, तो हमें कंजंक्शन हमें लेना है. तो सुनील ने कहा कि अभी मैं गाड़ी चला रहा हूं ऐसा आएगा क्या कि वो तब गाड़ी चला रहा था। ओके, वो तब गाड़ी चला रहा था। ओके, जस्ट अभी देखिए दोनों सेंटेंस का मीनिंग। सुनील ने कहा था मुझे क्या कि मैं गाड़ी चला रहा हूं। वो जो सेंटेंस है, वो जो वाक्य है, उसको मैं अभी आप लोगों को बता रहा हूं। तो क्या मैं ऐसे कह सकता हूं कि सुनील ने कहा कि मैं गाड़ी चला रहा हूं? नहीं, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए कि सुनील ने कहा कि वो तब गाड़ी चला रहा था। मैं अभी के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ क्या? नहीं, उस वक्त के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ। तब उसने क्या कहा कि तब वो गाड़ी चला रहा था। समझ में आया? तो हम किसी और के जो सेंटेंसेस है, वर्ड्स है, वो अपने वर्ड्स में बताते हैं। दैट वी आर स्पीकिंग somebody else those words into our own words. So this is called indirect speech, or we are changing the narration. Somebody spoke there, and that spoken words we are changing in our own words. So this topic is also called change the narration. Change the narration, because we are changing the narration there. Is this clear to you why we use direct and indirect speech? Okay, you can write down or take a screenshot also. Again, we will come back to this statement only. How the changes will take place? Why I have used here was. Here is am was there, so I have used here was. That we will see afterwards. Okay. Now basic thing is there. If we will see direct statement, this is the direct statement. Okay. So direct speech. So it is having two parts. This statement is having two parts. One is out of inverted. One is out of inverted and another is inside the inverted. So out of inverted, whatever the part is there, this part is called reporting speech. It is called reporting speech. Okay, this part is called reporting speech, and this second part is called reported speech. Reported speech. Regarding here, direct speech is having two parts. One, Sunil said, this one is called here out of the inverted. This part is called reporting speech, whereas I am driving car now, that is reported speech. Okay, this part is called only said is called reporting verb. I am driving is called reported verb. Okay, so why I am telling you? Why I am telling you this one? Because whenever any sentence of change the narration or direct indirect speech you will get, first of all you should focus on reporting speech. What thing first of all you need to see on reporting speech? Which tense is there you should see first of all. Okay, it's very easy. You should see there here which tense is there. If reporting verb is in past, then only tenses or tense of the reported speech will change. Or otherwise, if the reporting speech, just see, if the reporting speech is in present tense or future tense, then tense of reported speech is not going to change. Is not going to change. How it's easy there, just see. Okay, if reporting speech, See here, if reporting verb is in this here, reporting speech is in present or future tense. There are three tenses here: present, future, and past. Okay. So out of that, if two tenses are here in reporting speech, so reported speech will not change into tense. Okay. How that we will see in through the example. We'll see. Rashi says, I am a good singer. If this statement is there, I am a good singer. This statement is there, suppose. So Rashi, just see here reporting speech, which is there here. Reporting speech is this part. Reporting verb is says. So says comes V1. Okay, V1 plus yes or es is there. So in which tense it comes here? It comes into simple present tense. It comes into simple present tense. I told you, if reporting speech is in present or future tense, then tense of reported speech is not going to change. Okay, so how the statement will be there? To join the two statements, reporting verb and reported speech. Okay, so this one, when we want to join, we should use conjunction that. We should use conjunction that to join simple statements when reporting speech is there, reporting speech and reported speech. Okay, so to combine them, we use that as a conjunction. That as a conjunction. So see here, Rashi says that. Now whether we are talking about Rashi. Okay, so Rashi we are talking here. This one. Okay, this one I is referring for Rashi, isn't it? So it will change now to the pronoun. Rashi says that she is a good singer. Okay, why we have taken here is already I told you, when reporting verb is in here present or future, the tense of reported speech is not going to change. Here I am a good singer, this is in simple present only. So when we are converting it into indirect, we should maintain the same tense here. Another example we will take. Another example we will take here. Atharva has said, I was reading a book. If this statement is there. Okay. Now you see here, has said is reporting verb. Has said is reporting verb, and when I told you, when reporting verb is in present or future, the tense of reported speech is not going to change. What is the tense of reported speech? Was reading. Was where plus ing is there. So this is in past continuous tense, isn't it? It is in past continuous tense. So this tense is not going to change. So how it will be there here? Atharva has said that he was reading a book. He was reading a book. So any tense will not change here. Just see. Here also past continuous was there, and here also we need to maintain it the same, because in reporting speech present tense is there. Okay, another sentence we will take of future. If reporting verb is in future, what will happen here? For example, Rucha will say I have brought my car. I have brought my car. If Rucha's statement is there, just see Rucha will say I have brought my car. Already I told you. Now will say is in future tense. So reporting verb is in future. So tense of reported speech is not going to change. So answer what will be there here? Rucha will say. Now conjunction will come that I is referring to Rucha, as we are changing, we are narrating her statement. That's why pronoun should match with Rucha. So what will be there here? Rucha will say that she. Now as the pronoun we have changed, it became here third person singular. So we have to take present present perfects. Which one? Has. She has brought. Now her car or my car? Her car. Okay. Is this clear to you? Okay. All whenever, just think that here when present tense is there or future tense is there in reporting speech. Okay. So reported speech verb is not going to change. It will remain same. Okay, write down this one. Now we will see what happens. Okay, if reporting speech is in past tense. Just see here, first of all, we are having here three main tenses: present, future will take here, and past. These three tenses are there, and each tense is divided into four subparts. Okay, simple, continuous, then your perfect, and perfect continuous. Okay, perfect continuous. So each tense is divided into here four sub kinds, here subparts. So just see here, present and future. So here presents 4 and futures 4 means what? 8 tenses are there. If 8 tenses will come into reporting verb, then tense of reported speech is not going to change. Only what verb forms we have to take? If simple present, if past tense is there, simple past. Okay, simple past, what we use? V2. Simple past, what we use? V2. Number 1. Number 2, past continuous. Past continuous, was, were, plus verb ing. Okay, so past continuous also will be there, simple past will be there here, and then third one, past perfect, and fourth one, past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous, just see, if these here 4 tenses are there only in reporting speech, then only tense of reported speech is going to change. Only 4 tenses you should keep in mind. See here, it's very simple, don't get complicated, it's very easy. If past tense is there in reporting speech, then tense of reported speech will change in following ways. Okay. See, dear students, now if past tense is there in reporting speech, okay, if past tense is there in reporting speech, then tense of reported speech will change in following way. Okay, if now earlier we have seen here, if present and future is there into reporting speech, any tense or any changes will tense wise changes will not be there into reported speech. But now if past tense is there into here reporting verb, so what changes will be there, that we are going to see. First of all, we will see here simple present. If reporting speech is in past, now the said is V2, and here reported speech in simple present. Okay, if reported verb is in simple present, then it will change into simple past. Here. Okay, so how it will change here? Ram said that. Now I will change into he worked hard. Isn't it? In simple present, what we have used? Subject plus V1 plus object. Here what will become? Subject plus V2, it will be there here, and object, or complement also it can be there. Am I clear? What I work very hard changed into he worked very hard. So another statement of simple present we will take here. Okay, simple present, another sentence we will see. See here, another statement we will see. Aditi was saying. So which tense is there here? This is in past continuous tense. As I told you, if reporting verb is in past, so the changes will take place. If simple present is there in reported speech, it will change into simple past. I sing songs. Sings is V1. So what is there here? So this is simple present tense. Simple present will change into simple past. So what will be there here? Aditi was saying that she. Sing is V1. So what will be the V2 of sing? She sang songs. Such kind of the changes will be there here in simple present. If the reporting verb is in past and here reported speech is in simple present, then it will change into simple past. Please make note of it. You can take screenshot also. Just see here. If now what we are reading here, just see what we are watching. If reporting verb is in past, okay, then if reported speech is in present, so present continuous, it will change into past continuous. Now Roshit said, this statement is there. Said is V2, this is in simple past here. So if reported speech is in present continuous in such situation, so what will happen? This one will change into past continuous tense. In present continuous, what we use is am, are plus verb ing we use. So this is going to change into was, were, plus verb ing. So what answer will be there here? Roshit said that he was writing a story. Clear? Just see here, present continuous will change into past continuous. I am writing a story, it will change into he was writing a story. I feel it's clear to you. See here. Now next tense is present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect will change into past perfect. So Yash said, I have built a new house. Okay, we use has oblique have plus V3 in present perfect. So it will change into past perfect. Had plus V3 it will take. Yash said that I had built a new house. I had built a new house. Present perfect changes into past perfect. Okay, present perfect changes into past perfect. Reporting verb will remain same. Changes will occur into reported speech. Okay, tense of the reported speech will change here. Am I clear? Next tense we are going to see present perfect continuous tense. Okay, present perfect continuous tense. What we use has, have plus been plus verb ing we use into present perfect. So present perfect tense reported speech will change into past perfect continuous tense. Had plus been plus verb ing it will take. Okay, so one example we will take here. Om said, or we can say that Om had said, I have been singing for 2 hours. I have been singing for 2 hours. One statement is there. Okay, so we should see first of all what is the tense of reporting speech. Reporting speech is in past tense. That's why the tense of reported speech is also going to change. I have been singing for 2 hours. It will change like Om had said that he had been singing for 2 hours. Okay, he had been singing for 2 hours. Another example we will take. They said, we have been watching drama since morning. Okay, one statement is there. We have been watching drama since morning. They said we have been watching drama since morning. Okay, if the same statement we want to change into indirect speech, what will be here? They said that they had been watching drama since morning. Okay, just see here. This is reporting verb is in present. This reporting verb is in past tense. That's why reported speech is going to change. So we have to see here which is the tense of reported speech. Reported speech is given into present perfect continuous tense. So that present perfect continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. Like they is the pronoun here. They said that they had been watching drama since morning. Am I clear to you? Please write down. You can take screenshot also if you want. Okay, we will see now next tense. Next tense is simple past. If reported speech is in simple past, then what will be there here? Okay, so suppose one statement we are going to take here. Kuvam said, I got a book. I got a book. Okay, so this one is in V2 or it is in simple past. So just see here, reported speech is into simple past, so it will change into past perfect. What answer will be there here? Kuvam said, conjunction we should take here, that, okay, she had got a book. She had got a book. Please write down. Simple past tense will change into past perfect. Just see here. Kuvam said that she had got a book. Okay. Another statement we will say, he had said I bought a car. He had said I bought a car. This is into past perfect. We should see only past tense is there. Okay, so next reporting speech we should see here. Bring here buy, bought. This is in V2. Okay, it's in simple past, so it will change into past perfect here. How? He had said that he had bought a car. He had bought a car. This will be the answer here. Write down. We'll see now the next tense. Dear friends, see here, past continuous tense, if it is there into reported speech, okay, then what it is going to be changed? Past continuous will change into past perfect continuous tense. For example, Pranav said, I was painting a wall at that time. If one statement is there, Pranav is saying, Pranav said, I was painting a wall at that time. So what will be there here? It will change into past perfect continuous tense. Like Pranav said that he had been painting wall at that time. Pranav said that he had been painting wall at that time. This will be the answer here. Past continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. Another sentence we will see. She said I was watching phone. Okay, I was watching phone. So this statement, how it will change here? She said that she had been watching phone. Okay, she had been watching phone. So past continuous will change into past perfect continuous tense. If reporting verb is in past, then only these changes will take place. Whatever the table we are learning, you should see first of all what is the reporting verb. If it is in past tense, then only this table is applicable. Otherwise, tense of reported speech is not going to change. If reporting speech is in present or future, then this table is not applicable. Okay, please write down. Next tense is past perfect tense. If reported speech is in past tense, then what change will be there? No change. Any change will not be there. Past tense is there. Suppose past perfect is there, it will remain same. According to the tense, it is not going to change. Like this here, the statement will be Kalyani said that. Here I will change into she. She had made a cake. What we have done here, only pronoun we have changed. Only pronoun we have changed, but tense will remain same. Suppose if the tense of reporting verb is in past, okay, then if past perfect tense is there into reported speech, it is not going to change. It will remain same. Next tense we are going to see is past perfect continuous. Okay, past perfect continuous, dear friends, this is also going to remain same. This is also going to remain same tense according to the tense. Just see. He said I had been playing mobile game for 2 hours. Okay, so this is the common funda or common work that you people did into lockdown. जितने भी बॉयज है, बॉयज गर्ल्स जो भी किड्स है, mostly they are addicted to mobile. Please don't use this one. Okay, this suggestion I am giving, and still we are making the videos onto the YouTube because this is the need of time. How much you can avoid, please try to avoid. Please don't play mobile games. Okay, for education purpose you should use technology. Just here, past perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous tense only. No change will be there into the tense. So this will be he said that he had been playing mobile for 2 hours. No change will be there into the tense. Okay, only pronoun I we have changed to the he. I hope this table is clear to you. Please take a screenshot or you can write down also, so we can move further. Okay, so now present tense and past tense we have finished. If reporting verb is in past tense, then whatever the past and present tense sentences it will be there, what changes will be there we have seen. What will happen if will comes into the reporting reported speech. Okay, if will comes here, it will become would. It will become would. Okay, like for example, Krishna said, I will bring a notebook. Krishna said, I will bring a notebook. If this simple statement is there, what it will be here? Krishna said that he would bring a notebook. Okay, so like this only will changes into would. Okay, would will change. What would will change? Nothing. It will be the same. Would only. Can changes into could, but again could will remain same. Okay, could only, it's not going to change. Please note down. Okay, can will change into could will remain same. May will change into might will remain same. Might will remain same, that is might only. So such kind of these here verbs are there. These future verbs, we can say that here these auxiliaries will change in such way. Okay, some will change, some will remain same. But when these changes will took place, if reporting verb, okay, reporting verb is in past, then only this entire table is useful. Otherwise, you are not going to use this table. कब आपको यूज करना है? अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब यानी कि इन्वर्टेड के बाहर वाला जो पार्ट है, अगर उसमें पास्ट टेंस है तो ही ये पूरा टेबल आप यूज कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो अगर प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर है इन्वर्टेड के बाहर, तो क्या होगा कि सेंटेंस में जो भी टेंस आएगा रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में वो वैसे के वैसे रहेगा, वो चेंज नहीं होता है. ओके, so we have finished this year table. We will continue another things. Dear friends, up to here we have seen sentences like subject is there and verb is there. Raju said I have purchased a goat. Okay, so but here in this second one statement, okay, something is different now. Raju is subject, said to is verb, Rani is here. Raju is subject, here said to is verb and Rani is object. Okay, or we can say that here when one speaker is there and when one listener is there, so in such cases this verb, okay, reporting verb will change into tell or told. It will change into told. Just see here, Raju told Rani now. Up to here what we have used, said only we have used, but now it will take told. Why? Because here one speaker is there and listener is there. Okay, so said to will change into told. When two speakers are there, so it will change into here told, or if present is there, it will change into tell. Okay, Raju told Rani that, conjunction will come again, that here he had purchased a goat. Why had will become here? Because reporting verb is in past. So already table is given to you. If reporting verb is in past, what changes will take into the reported speech that we have seen here? Raju said, I have purchased a goat. Here, Raju said that he had purchased a goat. This answer only will be there. I hope this table is clear. Many other types of the sentences are also there. Interrogative is there, exclamatory statements are there. If exclamatory will be there into reported speech, what is going to change here? Interrogatives are also there. Imperative statements are also there. That video we will make here next one, because this video's length is becoming very big one. So another video of reported speech we are going to make, and in that other types of sentences we are going to discuss. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a thematic, a complete rules are given to you. Okay, so I don't feel that here whatever the part we have studied, anything we have left. Okay, remaining some parts are there that we are going to take in next video. Stay tuned to the channel. Please do study. Thank you. And if any queries are there, be free to ask me.